This is interview number 2 with Russ Camerer, the designer and builder of Kettlewell Resonant Covers. Russ, as you were grappling with what to do with the shape of the resonant arch and the sides of those chambers, what were some of the challenges as a designer you faced?
Well, first off, traditionally the harmonica is made with reed plates, and chromatics have wind saver valves up in the top sides of the plates. And so that being, there is very small clearances between the sets of reeds that create an octave. In other words, 4 sets of reeds to create an octave. And to land on top between those to create a true chamber was one of the challenges that we faced. It ended up being a super thin clearance that the 3D printer was capable of making, of course. The other challenge was how to go from a very small opening where your mouth meets the harmonica and the cover begins out toward the end, to be able to go from virtually a flat surface, very low, and graduate that into a ellipse as you moved forward, creating a half trumpet shape toward the end. And so this was the challenge that leaped from being able to hand machine and create these things to something that was either going to be CNC'd in metals or produced by 3D printing a plastic material of some kind. And so we naturally moved cost-wise toward the plastics immediately. Having access to the printer, we were able to duplicate the shape that we wanted in a relatively small amount of time once the drawing was completed. Yeah, once the CAD drawing was finished, that's the magic to the printer following the program, of course. And so just a matter of choosing materials at that point. And initial probes into having metal work done was not very cost efficient or productive to try to make covers for everyone.
That completes interview number 2. Thank you, Russ. This is interview. I'm going to give you a sound test now of both of these harps. This is a Gregor Mare fitted with Kettlewell Resonant Covers. Sidedale Saxony.